Hi Genetics 311, my name is Val Perez, and in this video I have created a developmental network similar to the ones we went over in lecture, but I used the TV show Spongebob SquarePants. Alright, let's get started. The transcription of the developmental gene Krabby Patty is influenced by the following proteins: Spongebob, Patrick, and Squidward. In mutants lacking Spongebob, the transcription of the Krabby Patty does not occur. This means that Spongebob activates the transcription of the Krabby Patty. In mutants lacking Patrick, the transcription of the Krabby Patty does not occur. Therefore, Patrick activates the transcription of the Krabby Patty as well. In mutants lacking Squidward, the transcription of the Krabby Patty does occur. This means that Squidward represses the transcription of the Krabby Patty. Alright, so we know that Spongebob activates the Krabby Patty, Patrick activates the Krabby Patty, and Squidward inhibits it. Now, let's put two of them together. Here we have Patrick, Squidward, and the Krabby Patty, and Squidward, Patrick, and the Krabby Patty. We know the adjacent relationship, so we know that Squidward inhibits the Krabby Patty and that Patrick activates the Krabby Patty. So if Patrick ultimately activates the Krabby Patty, then Patrick must inhibit Squidward to produce the Krabby Patty. Now, if Squidward ultimately inhibits the Krabby Patty, then Squidward must inhibit Patrick so that the Krabby Patty isn't produced. The question says that if there's a double mutant lacking Patrick and Squidward, then the transcription of the Krabby Patty does occur. Therefore, out of the two pathways, the top one is the one that will activate the transcription of the Krabby Patty. Now, let's put Squidward and Spongebob together. Here we have Spongebob, Squidward, and the Krabby Patty, and Squidward, Spongebob, and the Krabby Patty. We know that Squidward inhibits the Krabby Patty production and that Spongebob activates it. If ultimately Spongebob activates the Krabby Patty, then Spongebob must inhibit Squidward so that the Krabby Patty can be formed. If Squidward ultimately inhibits the Krabby Patty formation, then he must inhibit Spongebob. The question says that if there's a double mutant lacking Spongebob and Squidward, then the transcription of the Krabby Patty does not occur. Therefore, out of these two pathways, the bottom one is the one that will not activate the transcription of the Krabby Patty. Now, let's put these two pathways together. We know that Patrick inhibits Squidward, Squidward inhibits Spongebob, and that Spongebob essentially activates the Krabby Patty. So that is the developmental network for this particular example. Alright, that concludes the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.